Hello everybody, so in this lesson I want to create two circle primitives and I want to be able to then use the curve tool to be able to connect those two circles together. Let me show what I mean. So let's create the old happy geometry node. Happy. Next part I'm going to create a circle. Create a circle, I can do it this way. Another way to create a circle is if let me do this correctly, go down into primitive here in the menu and you'll see the option for a circle there as well. So okay, now I've got two circles. I need to rotate this. I'm in the top view, so to make it so I can see it, it's on its side at the moment. Let's rotate this by 90. Now I can see it, and let's do the same with the other one. Rotate it by 90. Okay, that one looks what's going on there? I've put it down as a primitive. Okay, there you see, this is a primitive type polygon. This one is actually a primitive. I want to make this into a polygon. There we go, that's better. They both need to be polygons for this to work. And then I'm going to merge them together. So let me put in a merge node so that I can have them both together. But I only see one. Why? Because of course I've got two circles, but one's directly on top of the other. So, way to get around that, let's create a transform node, and we'll do this on the second one, I think. And let's move this in X by 5. Okay, now it's over there, and together I can see both of them. Super. Now with the circle node I can increase the resolution, of course, or decrease it, however I see fit. I'm just going to keep it at the default of 12. I can also change the scale of it here. I might make this one slightly larger, just so you can see the difference, but it's not important really. And now what I'm going to do is I need to find a way to connect these. So I want to create an extra piece of geometry here to connect these two together and make them one piece of geometry. How do I do that? Well, the problem is if I go into my edit, I don't really have much in the way of edit. I can move it around, I can rescale it and stuff, but I need to be able to do what I did. Remember when I was in the curve tool in previous lessons, I could remove various segments of it, create an open curve and then connect them together. I need to be doing the same thing. So how can I do that in this situation? Well, the way to do it is simply create a curve tool. So let's create a curve polygon, and then I want to connect it here to the circles. And I've now converted all of these two here, into a curve. They look the same because they're a closed curve, but they are now a curve. So now what I can do is let me go into my options. Look, there we go. And I've got my curve options again. I've got the draw. I want to go into edit. So I'm going to hit F. And let's remove, say, this segment here. So select the segment, hit C, and select delete segments. There we go. Let's maybe do it in this one too. I'll take this one here. Delete segments. Notice that the face disappears because now I have two open curves. They've converted from a closed curve to an open curve. I may also remove this piece, I think. Might look a bit more symmetrical. And this one here. There we go. And now all I can do is connect them. So hit the G key, go into draw mode, and I'm just using this like I've done in previous curve tool lessons. I'm just going to select this point here, this point, select this point, and there we go. Now I've got one piece of geometry all connected. Okay, and of course the options you have are pretty unlimited in how you can mess with this curve tool. It's a pretty great tool and very versatile. So anyway, if you've got any questions, comments or criticisms, of course, as always, leave them below in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.